Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Review. Today we are talking about this Oraimo headphones. These are one of the latest headphones so far on the market. It replaced these headphones. So we are going to do unboxing. After doing unboxing, then I will show you the more feature on this latest gadget. Considering the price of this, the price is too down compared to the old version, which is this, which is a 610S. But now we have this, which is a 317. Yeah, so let's go ahead and we do unboxing. So guys, this is what we received from our box, which is this size. We receive, these are the headphones so far, and then these are the aux. We call this aux pin. Actually it is good, it is flexible and good. Then we get type C. This is the type C, USB. Then we get user guide. So this is what we call BoomPop Lite, which is all Oraimo headphones 317. If you wanted to find it on the market, you mention BoomPop Lite 317. This is the definition of, actually don't confuse by this definition. This OHP, it stands for Oraimo headphones. As you can see from the box, this is the brand name. Yeah, so let's go ahead and I show you the more features with this compared to the old version. This is the old version. So this kind of brand, it doesn't support the Oraimo app. For example, let me show the Oraimo app in my phone. So we have what we call Oraimo sound. This is the Oraimo sound. You can see this one is called Oraimo sound. This brand doesn't support Oraimo sound. Yeah, so if you want to go with something latest, you have to go with this kind of headphones. So this kind of headphones, for them they support what we call 360 or what we call surrounding music. You have to connect your app. After connecting your app, then it will show you how to activate it. For example, let's first go ahead and we switch it on from here. It has LED. After going on, the LED brings to green. Then you come here to your Bluetooth settings, you open your Bluetooth, then you look for BoomPop. So from here, you have to look for BoomPop. As you see, it has come. So we click on BoomPop. So now it has connected. As you can see from here on top, it has connected. After connecting, you go directed to your music Oraimo sound. You click add device, then it will search and pair the device. So now it has found the device. As you can see, after finding the device, you tap there. So as you can see, now it has connected and it shows you the battery, even the the device name. So click here on the device name. It will show you, as you can see, it will show you that it is connected. This is the battery level. Then after that, you activate your 360 spatial audio. You understand? So you activate it from here. Okay. So this is what we call 360 sound or surrounding music. If you have music that supports it, for example, you are playing music via Spotify, it has all the features. And again, this one has what we call game mode. You understand? Game mode, you know, when you're playing sound and you are playing games, the sound has to come super fast. You understand? So you have to activate game mode. However, you know, when you are in game mode, the battery, it drains battery so fast. However, it can take you for 10 hours. So it has also what we call dual device connection. You understand? With this one, you can connect with your partner or your friend. You can buy the same device and you listen to same music at the same time without any interruptions, guys. Yeah, this so far they have given us this firmware update. We haven't received any update, but we believe that with time we shall receive updates. Yeah, so far, then again, it's as you can see, it is portable. You can put it into your bag by doing this. Yeah, then again, it has a super clear voice in calls. When you're doing calls, it gives super clear, as you understand, guys. Yeah, so don't forget about that when someone calls you, you have to remove this kind of headset. No, you don't need to remove it. Then again, about the foldable, it is foldable. Then again, it supports what we call type c charger, guys. So again, it has what we call ops supported pin. Do you understand this? If you don't have battery on your device, you can insert this, then you put into your phone or you put into your TV, anywhere. So this one does a lot. However, also the old version was supporting that as well, type C and aux pin. However, it doesn't do other connectivity, as I told you guys. So far, those are the ones of the best things that you can consider on this headphones. Yeah, don't forget, it's a sound app. It only supports iOS 12 and the Android 6. If you have like this old iPhones, you cannot download its app from the Apple Store or from the Play Store, guys. Yeah, so far those are the ones of the best. Then the Bluetooth, it only goes to 10 millimeters, guys. Yeah, we are giving also warranty if you buy it from anywhere and it gets any issue. Don't forget, guys, you can write your card and return it to your supplier in case of anything. Then regarding the Bluetooth, the version is 5.3, which is the latest version of the Bluetooth that supports also dual connectivity. Yeah, so far those are the features. Then about the foam, this one, it's super soft, guys. Doesn't itch, doesn't stress you. It has also here this flexible foam, guys. So far those are the best features of this. If you're interested in buying one of the cheapest $30 and below, you can go for this type of Oraimo headsets. About the name, it's called the Oraimo BoomPop Lite headphones. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I was going to play some music for you, but the music I have is not free from copyright. Yeah, thank you. Catch you in the next video.